Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to redeem codes on Pokemon Go. So, in order to redeem codes on Pokemon Go, you'll have to first of all navigate to any browser on your mobile phone or PC, go to the search bar and type in Pokemon Go redeem code. After you type in Pokemon Go redeem code and hit enter, you'll have to click on the link that says Code Redemption Pokemon Go Web Store, store.pokemongolive.com. Click on this link and it will take you to this page. Now, on this page, you'll have to click on sign in to redeem button. As you can see, you can sign in with Pokemon Go account to redeem offer or gift card codes. To redeem an offer or gift card code, you must be logged into your Pokemon Go account. To create a game account, please download the app, and if you have any questions, you can go here and learn about it. So click on sign in to redeem button and it will instantly take you to this page where you can easily click in on sign in with any of these options available. After you sign in using your user credentials, on this page, you'll be instantly taken to the page where you can redeem your codes on Pokemon Go. You'll have to just enter the code in the text field you will get on the next page, after which you can click on redeem code and you would have successfully redeemed codes on your Pokemon Go. So that is the simple way you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.